Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, and this is Daspol. And thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And sorry for the delays for making the videos. I was not well. That's the reason I couldn't make videos for you guys. But now I am back again, strong for you guys, and I have something for you guys. It's going to be a strategy video. So without wasting time, let's start off. And if you are a new person to this channel, then definitely go to the channel and watch all these videos. And only if you like these videos and if it is helping you out, only then hit the subscribe button so that you can see our upcoming videos and get benefited and increase your knowledge. This channel is mainly for educational purpose only. Learn from it and add it to your knowledge and take decisions as per your risk. But this channel is only for education purpose only. So without wasting time, let's start off. So today we are going to talk about a profit strategy for all the segments. Many are asking me, sir, teach me one crude oil strategy, one for zinc, one for lead. Others are asking again regular intraday for equity. So knowing all this, I have to think what to do for these guys, what to do for these guys, and finally I thought one strategy which can help everyone. 85% of the time, the strategy will work, but always understand, guys, this strategy. I know this strategy from a long time. I'm trying it. That's the reason I know it is giving profit. The person who's doing for the first time, first day, it may not work for you. At least for a week, do a paper trading or do a live practice trading as I have taught you and see the behavior of the strategy, and you will understand the behavior of the strategy. Once you understand the behavior of the strategy, that is when you need to decide whether to trade or not with the strategy. So by telling that, without wasting time, let's talk about the strategy. So strategy requirement is going to be a Renko chart, a default Renko chart. Okay, for the ones who are watching, listen. Renko chart of default. I'm using it in Zerodha. A 15 minutes time frame. I'm taking the chart, and I'm going to use a Bollinger Bands. Okay, it's going to be a default settings, and we're just going to use PSAR just for a confirmation purpose, just to avoid few trades. So with these three simple indicators, we are going to do a profit strategy for all the segments and try it out. And please let me know the reviews. So going to the one of the chart, let's go and apply the 15 minutes candle as per the plan. Let's go to Renko chart. Okay, now go and put a Bollinger Band. Default settings. Okay, now I'm gonna put a PSAR, poly parabolic SAR. Okay, so over here. Okay, that's done. So let me open Hindalco for now, an equity stock, and let us see what can we do. The strategy is going to be very simple. Or let me remove these stuffs, old ones. Okay, the strategy is going to be very simple. All you need to use a Renko chart and this Bollinger Band. So always remember the center line of this Bollinger Band. Okay. So whenever the candle is above this Bollinger Band, we are going to buy, and whenever this candle is below the Bollinger line, that is when we are going to planning to sell. Okay. So how do we do that? For example, in this case, if you see on 9th or any day, let's start from wherever over here or something. And if the dotted lines, the PSAR, if it is above, it's a sell, and if it is below, it's a buy. Okay, so the candle should be above the center line of the Bollinger Band, and there should be a buy confirmation here, just to filter out the incorrect trades. Okay, this is a sell, and only if it is below. Now, let's see what can we do here. For example, if you see from this date, 15 minutes, if you see from this date, date is 1st of June. The candle is below this. Okay, early morning, if you see, the candle is below the center line, and the parabolic says sell side, I will go and short the stock, and I will short the stock, and from 200 I can make up to 195 rupees. Same way, next day, if you see over here, short here below the Bollinger line, short here, 198, 195, 3 rupees. Next day, a buy. I'm not buying here. I'm waiting for this to cross. As soon as it crosses, that is when I'm planning to buy here. This is the next candle should be opening above that line. 199, 202. That's the magic over here. The next day, 15th. Let's go to 15th. Okay, this is fine. Okay, if you go to 15th, below the center line, sell confirmation. Okay, so I will sell this 198, 194. So easily you can make that 1%, 2%, but I will not tell the target and stop loss for this for you guys. I just told you the trick or the strategy, which is a very simple strategy everyone can use. Okay, so you can decide based on your risk management how much you can wait and what is agreed, and depending on that, you can wait for 1%, 2%, or 0.3%, 0.5%, 0.7%. Think and do. So this is at least this is one idea for you guys to understand the movement. We're using Renko charts to know one trend of movement. Okay, so it will filter out a lot of noises in the market. So let's even just look this out for crude. For example, if you take a crude chart, 20th. Okay, morning, it's below the line candles. Okay, I'll think of sell and confirmation, selling dots. Sold here 2902. It went up to 2802. Almost 100 points over there. Same thing over here, sell. Same thing over here, buy. Okay, and here, buy, buy. You need to buy only above the line if it is above the line. Okay, or else do not buy. Buy again here today. Yesterday it was a buy, and 29th it looks like a buy. See here, today's date is 29. 29, this is 29. A buy over here, 2889. That's gone up to 2909. 2909, the rally may continue because the trend looks above. Looking at the zinc, let's try out zinc also. Looking at the zinc looks so neat, guys. One direction, man, this is crazy. 19th, above this candle is above the center line. Buy signal, buy 165, 170, 170 over here. Here is a buy 170, 2 rupees. Here is a sell, but I'm not selling that. But it's the next day, it's below. If you see on 1st of June, it's a sell, and the candlestick is below the center line. A sell over here, 166 up to 166 rupees profit. So this really works. If you see from 15th, if you see it's gone up till 169, and 22nd it's gone up, 26 it's gone up. So the movement is really good. Okay, so this works with all the segments. Okay, it's up to you how do you decide your targets and when do you exit. In this case of Indelco, for example, I showed here it's buy has started, the signal of buy has started here, but as per our strategy, we will wait for this candlestick to open above the center line of Indelco, middle line of the Bollinger Band. So That is when I will enter this trade. I will put around zero point 0.5 target. I don't want much of money. I'll just put zero point 0.5 target and they'll hit the profit and I'll just exit for the day. I'm happy. So it's a simple strategy for everyone. It's a profit strategy for everyone, and most of the beginners very simple. Just use the indicators and learn the movement of the stocks. Try paper trading and virtual trading, and see do the live practice as I have told you in my previous video, and see if this is helping you out and if you're able to consistently make profit. Try to see if Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday works for you guys, and see if Monday works, Tuesday works. If Wednesday doesn't work, avoid Wednesday in future tradings. Then do Thursday and Friday. So make a note of it. That's the reason I am asking you to do paper trading. Understand what is the behavior of the strategy. Write it down. Make a notes. Make your understandings there. Write your rules over there. Write your weaknesses over there, and come out with a proper plan, and then do a trade with this based on your risk, and then you see the difference how you will make a profit. That's all up to you. Hope this was an add-on to your knowledge from the Smart Trader family. Thank you so much for watching, and please do hit that subscribe button and like button for this video, and also just share this video to all your friends in their WhatsApp group so that even they can learn from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.